with me, Lucas
and Tina. And for today's activity, we gathered some toys and Lucas is going to arrange them by their beginning sounds. Letters A,
N,
S, M, and T. Okay, let's start our activity.
Okay, we're gonna buy money. So it's money.
Okay, where's the letter? There, very good. Next.
And Superman. Superman run away. Wow! Superman.
Superman.
Hill.
Where's the letter? Point to Mama.
Hill.
Very good. Put in there. Correct.
And then sword. Chop chop. Hiya.
Okay.
Sword. Right there.
Okay. Very good.
Hey, what's that?
Next.
And then, oh, cheetah.
No. Simba.
Simba.
Okay.
Simba.
Okay, can you put him here near the sword, in front of the sword? Very good. Okay, next.
Apple.
Yes.
So it's stuff like this.
Okay, very good. Okay.
And also have avocado and milk. Avocado and milk. Milk.
Very good.
Avocado. What's oh, here's that.
Very good.
Right here. And then, what is this called again?
Strawberry cake.
Strawberry cake. Strawberry.
Very good.
Tape.
Very good.
Tape. Apple. I know it's red. I can say apple, but it's of course. But it's apple because I know apple. I will say apple 3 times. Apple. Apple. Remember that.
Thunderbolt.
Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt. Mermaid. It's too fun than going.
Okay.
Mermaid.
Here. There. Okay, go. Mermaid. Very good. Next.
Table.
Okay.
Table.
This activity offers a treasure trove of benefits for kids, especially in early literacy development such as phonics awareness, vocabulary building, reading readiness, sorting skills, and many more.